welcome back. I know, I know the disappointment in your face. Like, girl, where you been at? I know. I started a job, everyone. So, this video was actually filmed like a little over 2 months. And it was like that same week I started work. And what can I say? I love my job. And we're back to schedule with kids going back to school and me having a job. Everything is just different in our house now. I get to clean, like deep clean my house once a week. Not even twice, girl, but everybody works around here. Like, my kids are getting older, so they help out a lot as well. And I just wanted to do a makeover with my room before the school started because I just wanted a different setup, and I wanted to feel motivated to edit videos and stuff like that. And I ended up filming a lot, but I was just so emotional because I'm like, how I'm gonna get my life back in order with YouTube videos now that I have a job and all these things, right? It was overwhelming, but good to know that I'm back now, and I'm gonna try my best to post 2 videos. If not, it's just gonna be one, to be honest, but I do plan to do live videos every Monday between 4 o'clock to 5 p.m. Central Time. Uh, we're gonna do different things in each live video. It's just you can never tell, and I want to just communicate with you in that way better. Now, I really thought this video was going to be like more like wow, like motivating, but it didn't happen that way. For the people that don't follow me or keep up with me, just know that my job is cleaning for special care need kids, and it is the best decision I have ever done. I get to socialize, and I'm just grateful for every little thing that is happening in my life right now. I really am. I can't wait. I miss you guys. Like, I miss YouTube so much. I miss filming. I missed editing, and it's like I felt like I was catching up with life once again. I felt so discouraged. I really thought it was going to be the end of my YouTube, and I'm like, you know what, let me just take a break, step out, and just get with a routine, with a job. I mean, I have not worked in a job for like past 7 years, so I'm like, I had to get the hang of it again. And then the kids are starting school soon, so I have to do that, and here we are. This particular week for me was very emotional. I didn't know how bad my hormones were. I knew I had hormonal acne. I just didn't know how much it can take a toll on your body. I was feeling it. I was like, this is definitely not depression. I am exhausted every single day. Like, I tired. I'm talking about, like, I was swimming every single day, exhausted, and wake up exhausted. I'm like, okay. And like, I'm overeating. Like, I was craving sugar like crazy, even though I was working now and everything. Like, I'm like, this is not like me. This is not myself. I don't like it. I need to do some blood work. And that's what I end up doing. And that actual day I came back from doing it. So it turns out every 3 months I had to get my hormone shot so they can regulate and balance and I won't miss my period. I know, too much information, but that's what made me take a break to begin with, because I just did not have the energy. And I'm like, am I going to get the job or not? It was so much going on in that actual week. And it's like everything happened out of nowhere. Like, I got the job, found out the babysitter, and started the job. And it's like, okay, I'll do YouTube this week. It never happened. I'll do YouTube this week. It never happened. And I started to feel back like myself with the hormone shot. And I'm like, okay, we getting somewhere now. And so therefore we here now. And I'm like, okay, I have a routine set up now. We can work around it, and it's gonna work out. We're a team, and we're gonna make it work, and it's gonna be fine. So here we are, 2 months later, which I appreciate you waiting on me. I know I'm always taking breaks, but breaks are absolutely necessary. I almost quit the channel, to be honest with you. I was like, is this the end of YouTube? Like, I just don't see myself doing YouTube videos anymore. I don't want to clean anymore. I don't want to clean anymore. It was just too much. And I'm so glad I took the break because I missed YouTube. I missed filming, and I will watch TikToks and other YouTube videos. And I'm like, I miss it. This is a huge part of me. You guys really matter to me. And it's like, I have to really let you know that. And you have been through everything with me, really. And I just, I'm so grateful for, from when we started to how far we have come. And although this video is short and sweet, it's still deep cleaning. I still hope you got to enjoy. It's not like the best of the best of my content, but you know, we're gonna make it work. I have to deep clean once a week now. All my kids and my husband helps me throughout the week to keep the week flowing. President actually suggested for us to do meal planning. Like, we're coming up with some stuff that things have to change, which that's instead of me complaining about life changing and life lifing. No, I'm actually grateful because we are growing, we are changing for the best, and the kids are not small anymore. And it's just like, we can make it work. So before this video ends, let me just say my goodbyes now. I want to post a video every Wednesday. It just depends, guys, really, because you guys know that I am a leader at, Switch at the live church. So I'm gonna try my best. Just know that. But for sure, I do want to do a live video on Mondays at 4 to 5 p.m. And just to get back on track still, and the cleaning, not so much because it's just once a week. My camera broke. Oh, that's another news. My camera broke. Hazel broke it. The lens, I had to get another lens. Like, it's just so much. But we're going to get there, okay? So thank you for your patience. I feel like I got so much to tell you, but thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And I just see you and catch you on my next one. God bless you guys. I love you. Bye.